Guys, welcome to this free training. I'm going to show you how to use Google Ads for lead generation, guys. And it's the most powerful platform you can use to generate leads, clients, and customers. It's not like Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram, guys. People use Google to find products and services. So let me show you how to best use Google to generate leads. Let's dive in. Google Ads is by far the best way to grow your leads, and I want to show you some really solid proof here, guys. Now, we've spent over nearly $500,000, guys, as you can see here in one side of our Google Ads accounts. Now, more importantly, we've generated nearly 25,000 leads by using Google Ads. This is the power of Google Ads, and I'm going to share with you what we've learned by spending nearly $500,000, guys, on Google Ads and generating leads. So follow these instructions, and this is how to generate leads using Google. There's a lot more to it, a lot of different strategies that we go into inside of our Google coaching program, but this is some of the foundations and basic things you can do to start using Google to generate leads. As I say, nearly 25,000 leads, over nearly $500,000 spent, guys. So first thing you're going to go and do, if you do not have this already, go and create a Google Ads account. Inside your Google Ads account, you are going to do this. You're going to go to Tools and Settings, and then you are going to go to, scroll down, then you're going to go to Planning. Under Planning, you will see the word Keyword Planner. So Settings and Tools, guys, go to Planning, and then you'll see something called Keyword Planner. Now, guys, this is super important, right? And this is how you're going to generate your leads by putting yourself in front of your potential client and customer and lead who is genuinely looking for the service or business that you offer. So click on Discover New Keywords. Now I'm going to use some examples here, guys. So I'm just going to type in life insurance, which I know there's a lot of businesses out there. We have quite a few life insurance companies inside of our Google coaching program. So I'm going to use this as an example. Inside the Keyword Planner, you can plan what type of keywords your potential customers or clients are using to find the type of business that you can offer them. Does that make sense? So guys, have some fun with the Keyword Planner, because it is by far the most powerful free tool that you can use. So in this case, I'm going to pretend I'm a life insurance business. So type in life insurance, because my potential leads will be going to Google and they'll be typing in life insurance. Now, let's have a look at the data that Google gives you, by the way. Google gives you all this free data. So, and we're going to sort this, but now you can sort this by the type of location that you are in. So, for example, I'm just going to put United States, because I know that we've got quite a few life insurance companies in the United States that we work with. But think about your location, guys. It could be US, UK, Australia, New Zealand. It doesn't matter. Use this planner and it will work in any country. Now, look at this, guys. Look at this. Life insurance, 246,000 people are looking for life insurance, guys. This is how you generate a high quality inbound lead for your business, and this is how you can quickly create a $7 or multi-million-dollar business using Google, because you're putting yourself in front of people that are actually searching for what you have to offer. So look at this, 246,000. Now, let's try another, I don't know, obscure business. Like, I know we have a lady inside of our Google coaching program offers dog walking services, right? She's created a $1 million a year business by walking dogs and using Google to generate leads. So let's look at dog walking, for example. So we got 50,000 people that are using Google to find dog walkers, and dog walkers near me. Look at that. 27,000 people, guys. Now, this is the power of how to use Google. Now, there's a lot more other things that need to go into it, and there's a lot more in-depth, advanced strategies that only probably 10% of the smart marketeers are using. But Google is powerful, guys. Now, once you start getting your keyword ideas, you can start building your campaigns on Google and putting your business in front of these people. So let me show you an example. So I have gone to Google, and let's say I'm looking for life insurance, guys. So I've typed in life insurance. Now you can see businesses are already advertising on Google, but I'm going to give you a really, really powerful top tip here, guys, right? That basically that most people do not do. And if you are in an industry like life insurance, where it's been around for centuries, it's been around for donkey's years, people are using the same type of language, and it will be languages like free quote, no obligation, best prices guaranteed. Guys, things like that have been done to death. You are not going to stand out on Google by using that type of terminology, because people are too smart now. When they shop online and they're looking for a service, they are familiar with those. What you need to be, and this is a top tip, guys, when you're advertising your business on Google, be very, very smart. Something we go into a lot of depth when it comes to Google coaching program about creating very psychological headlines that type into pains, gains, but also sounds new, different, and exciting, right? And here's what you need to do. You need to come up with some type of headline. Now, life insurance, for example, right? It could be LI, life insurance. So LI stands for life insurance. So you could put a headline in your Google ad that says, how we are able to offer the cheapest LI policies for over 50s, for example. Now, what you can do is you can go and target over 50s, yeah? And they'll be thinking, what the hell is an LI policy? I've got to find out what this is. So you're empowering, making people feel like, what is this? Like intrigueness and urgency, and making it sound new. Now let's take something else, right? Let's say we did a dog walking example. Let's say you were a dog walker. To stand out from everybody else, you need to come up with something new and different in order to grow a very successful business on Google. But also, this is how you can generate leads using Google. So, dog walkers, right? Dog walking service. Everybody uses the same language. Do not do that, guys. Do not use the same language, right? Use something like, so let's take dog walking here. So, how... And this is how you can get very specific, guys, as well. So let's say you can target doctors, CEOs, teachers, people that are really, really busy, right? So you could specialize in dog walking for teachers, dog walkers for doctors. So it could be, are you a doctor? Do you need dog walking services? Question mark. Here's another top tip, guys. Question marks on Google's ads are so powerful. Nobody really uses question marks. By asking somebody a question when you're trying to generate leads on Google Ads and trying to get leads for the business that you offer, and you will provoke and you will generate intrigueness from that person, and they'll feel like they're understood because you are asking a direct question. Direct questions on Google is so powerful, man. So you could say something like, are you a doctor? Question mark. Do you need dog walking services? Question mark. And now you can go off and you can target doctors that are also looking for doctors that are also looking for dog walking services. Are you a teacher? Do you need dog walking? Question mark, question mark. Now you can go off and target teachers. Let's take life insurance again, because I want to make sure that you guys really understand this, because this is really, really powerful stuff when it comes to using Google to generate leads. And 90% of people do this wrong. They make so many mistakes on Google, and it's because they do not understand the right strategies to use on Google, but also they blame Google. Google doesn't work. Guys, Google works. We've grown multi-figure businesses on Google all over the world, and our clients have as well. Dog walkers, right? So let's say, life insurance we're doing now. So in this example, life insurance, right? Get very smart and specific in who it is you are targeting. So let's say life insurance for doctors. Are you a doctor? Do you need life insurance? Let's say a single mom, a single parent, a single mother. Are you a single mother? Question mark. Do you need life insurance? Question mark. Now, what you've done in those two questions is you have targeted and spoken to single moms, and you have used life insurance because that's what people are looking for. Now, what you can do is you go over to Google. In your ad, you would say single mom, target single moms who are looking for life insurance. Now, guys, this is really powerful stuff, and this is the type of marketing that has helped us to generate over 25,000, I think nearly 25,000 leads in this one campaign, guys. That is how powerful Google is. Okay, so by doing that, you can really hone in on your lead generation strategies. You can get the best leads for your business, because this is an inbound lead, guys. People have gone to Google, opened up their laptop, their iPhone, the computer, and they're typing things in. Okay, so as you can see here, just to show you, real proof here, guys, this is inside of one of our Google Ads accounts. Now, as you can imagine, we've got a few accounts because we teach people how to use Google all over the world, right? So these are real accounts. So we've spent nearly now £470,000, which is about just over $500,000, over $500,000, and we've done nearly 25,000 leads using some of these strategies. So guys, if you like this and you want to learn more about this, there's a free Google training going on right now. Not going to be available for long because loads of people are coming through, and we need to cut it off at some point. So lots of training going on. Click the link in the description somewhere or in the profile, and go and register for the free Google training. And yeah, guys, this is powerful stuff. It's much better than Facebook or social media because people are using keywords to find solutions to their problems. So hopefully this has been really useful, guys, and subscribe to our channel, or subscribe, and then you can listen to more of these great trainings that I'm going to be putting out there. So hope you found this useful, guys.